Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to change your username and Twitter application in your mobile phone if you are using Android or iOS. So it is easy, but for this you should have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open Twitter application. Once you open Twitter, then you will see your account icon on the upper left corner. Once you tap on this, you will see a list here. So simply scroll down here and tap on settings and privacy, and here tap on your account option on the top. Now tap on account information, and here you can see username. So tap on this, and here you can remove and enter a new username here. So let's suppose I am changing it. This username is not available because it has already taken, so I am writing some more digits. Now it is available, so simply tap on done. My username has changed, so that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.